Alright, so good day guys. Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and kindly check out my playlist.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so for today's DIY, all you need to do is all you need to have rather is a Phillips screwdriver and maybe some light bulbs that you want to use, because today's DIY I'm gonna teach you on how you will be removing the taillight assembly for your Hyundai Eon. The reason why you want to remove the taillight assembly is if you want to replace some of those bulbs, maybe an LED for better consumption, or maybe you want to replace the headlight assembly itself, or maybe some modifications that you want to use or want to do on your taillight assembly. So this is easy and very straightforward to do. I'm gonna place you guys on a view where you can see what I'm doing. First thing that you'll need to do is open your trunk door. Okay. All right, and then you will see two Phillips screw, and that's what we want to remove. Okay. All right, so let me just remove that. One is off, and the next one is right here. Now is you just want to loosen up the lock for this one. Let me just place you guys on a better view. Alright, so I hope you guys can see everything that I will be doing. So after removing those two Phillips screws, all we have to do is just gently swivel the taillight assembly starting at the top. All right, now, okay, so once that's loose, you should be able to see all the sockets, the wires, everything that you need to do. You might want to clean this as well, and you'll just be able to see the guides and the locks of your taillight assembly itself. And I have a couple of wires here that is for the wiring of my lights for my sound system. You should be able to do it on your own, and that's simply how you return it. Make sure, just don't forget to return back the screws to lock your taillight assembly in place. And yeah, that's how easy it is. I hope you like our DIY video for today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for the next DIY, feel free to comment down below in the comment section, or you can visit my Facebook page and send me a message there. I'll make sure to answer all your inquiries And if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, because I basically shoot the video the same time I took the video of the windshield wiper assembly removal. Alright, so I hope you guys like this DIY session today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for all the support. Until our next video, take care.